Hi, this is Leetcode question, minimum number of vertices to reach all nodes. In this example, the nodes 0 and 3 are the smallest set of vertices from which all nodes in the graph are reachable. So from node 0 you can reach 1 and you can reach 2, from node 2 you can reach 5. So using node 0 we reach 4 nodes, and using node 3 you can reach 4. So we cover all nodes in the graph using these two nodes, and this is the smallest set of nodes from which all nodes in the graph are reachable. Now to solve this question, assume here 5 is part of the solution, so all nodes covered by reached by 5 also can be reached by 2, because there is link from 2 to 5. So every node reached by 5, in this case there are nodes, can be also reached by 2. So it's better to have the node 2 in the solution instead of 5, because from node 2 you can reach 2 and all the nodes of under 5, but if you select 5 you cannot reach node 2 from 5, and you need to add one more node. The same from node 2 you can reach it from node 0, so instead of having node 2 you can have node 0 in the solution, and by doing this you can reach all the nodes covered by node 2 and the node 0 itself. And node 0 here, there are no links, there are no edges coming into this node, so we stop here. That means this is the parent of all possible all the nodes under it, and this should be part of the solution, because there is no node we can reach 0 using it. And as you can see, the number of edges going inside this node is 0, so this is the criteria. The same here for 4, so all the nodes reachable by 4, in this case 2 and 5, also can be reached by 3, because there is link from 3 to 4. So it's better, instead of having 4 in the solution, to have 3. In this case we cover 3 and 4 and all the nodes reachable by 4. And again we are taking 3 because it's kind of parent, there is no other nodes connected to this 3, and so the number of edges coming into the node 3 is 0, so this should be part of the solution. And if you see, there are only 2 nodes that has the number of nodes equal to 0. If you look into 1, there are 1 edge come into node 1. Node 2, there are 2 edges. Node 5, there is 1 edge. Node 4, there is this edge. So we are looking for nodes that have in degree equal 0, which is the number of nodes that come into the node. And by this we confirm that all of these nodes are covered, and also all the nodes in the graph are reachable from these nodes, because if we take any nodes in the graph, at the end there should be parents for it, and that parent is with in degree equal 0. And so to solve this question, we just need to build this in degree vector that count the number of the edges with the direction into the node. So at the end, in degree, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the nodes. In degree of 0 is 0. In degree of 1 is 1. Of 2, it's 1. Degree of 3 is 0. Of 4, it's 1, because there is 1 edge come into the node. And for 5, there is 1 edge. So we just look for the nodes has 0 in degree, in this case 0 and 3, and this will be the final answer.